Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a food warming mat. It says full surface heating. So we're gonna go ahead and give this thing a go. I'll show you what it is. This is great. So if you have to go to a party or something or somewhere and you need to bring something hot, or you're having a party and you just don't want to have everything sitting on the stove, this gives you an alternative here. So let's see if I can aim you guys. Oh, you guys can see the table here right there. Okay, good. So this is it here. I've had one of these before, so I understand the concept. I will explain it to you as best I can. Okay, so you can see here, these are all the heating coils. So it just goes around back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. And then this is going to be the hot surface. This is just the strap to strap it up. And then this is the device to turn it on. So I will plug it in and just plug it into the outlet over here. Okay, so now it is plugged in, and on here we have our settings. I can just hit power and set it to 212. Oops, 212 is what it defaults to, and then everything just sits on there. You see it kind of keeps it off of the table a little bit from these little nubs, and whatever you put on here, I can already feel it's already starting to get warm. It's got a slight vibration to it as it's getting warm. I guess that's just normal because it's heating up through the element. But it's already starting to get warm, and eventually it will get to 212 degrees unless I want to set it to 176 or 140. So if I want to just keep something low, I can do that as well. So these are cool, great little warming mat. Thumbs up for sure.